Let me show you how it is to transfer a call using the user interface. So first of all, let me make a call. Once the call is active on my panel, I have various options. Let's imagine I want to do a blind transfer because somebody is next to me. So imagine I have Daniel sitting next to me. I want to transfer the call to him. All I do is drag and drop, and the call is transferred to the other extension. Okay. The other possibility is what is called attended transfer, which means I put the call on hold, then I speak to the other person. Let's imagine I want to transfer the call to Isabel. So I call Isabel, and then I speak to her and say, Isabel, there is a call for you, and I just transfer it, which means drag and drop, and I press this button.